Farmers are having to dry an unprecedented amount of grain this year, and this focuses attention on the supply and price of fuels. A plan is being suggested that someday could develop pipelines and processing to take natural gas that's being wasted in western North Dakota oil fields and use it to meet farm and industrial needs in eastern North Dakota. As Mikkel Pates reports in this week's AGWEEK cover story, that could mean a viable alternative to propane.
Craziness. We've got it, but we're not using it.
Mike Brandenburg farms near Edgeley, North Dakota, but he's also a representative for District 28, which includes 6 counties in central North Dakota. Legislators and others are studying a plan that could help move natural gas across the state. Gas is a byproduct of oil production. Too much of it is wasted through flaring. But it would be especially helpful in eastern North Dakota, where it is needed for grain drying and processing.
And this would be a good spot to do it, invest back into North Dakota, invest back into our production of oil, and capture this natural gas that's being wasted.
Liquid natural gas, LNG, costs about half of propane, which can be $2 to $4 a gallon. One plan would use money from the state's $6 billion legacy fund to offer an incentive to develop the industry.
Virtually every single bushel that we harvested, we had to dry it.
Terry Wanzik is also a farmer and a lawmaker from Jamestown. He says they need to study it more, but so far it seems like a good idea that could help farmers, economic development, and the oil industry.
How can we make it feasible to be able to transport it and utilize it in other areas of the state where there isn't oil, but there's a tremendous demand for energy resources?
Micah Brandenburg farms with his dad and brothers. He thinks grain drying will continue to grow, so he hopes the state will come up with a workable plan.
It would be a great option to have on the farm, to be able to have the chance to possibly save some more money. It will cost some money to convert over to natural gas, but still, the savings could be huge in the long run.
In Edgeley, North Dakota, this is Mikkel Pates for AGWEEK.